and it's a collection of 550 audiobooks from Ego. I know, it's so impressive. So in this little flash drive right here lives 550 literary classics that you can upload onto your smartphone easily, so you can take it with you on all of your trips. Whether you're working out or even cooking dinner, you can listen to all of those classics like Alice in Wonderland.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
What's your favorite? You like this one?